Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning, dear students. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn a new topic. Are you ready? Good. Let's see what we are going to learn today. Topic of our lesson is basic shapes. Today we are going to learn about triangle and rectangle. Objectives of our lesson are students will be able to recognize shape triangle and distinguish triangle has three sides and three corners. Identify shape rectangle and know rectangle has four sides and four corners and its opposite sides are always equal. Learn the spelling of triangle and rectangle. Identify triangles and rectangles in the environment. Trace and draw triangles and rectangles.
I'm a triangle, triangle, I'm a pointy little shape. I have three sides, I'm a triangle, triangle.
Hi, kids. I am a triangle. I have three sides and three angles. Well, here's a Christmas tree. It's a triangle just like me. I see another triangle. You've got it. It's the roof. A triangle-shaped roof of my house. Wow, here are some yummy chips for me. I love these crispy, spicy chips because they are shaped like me. I am quite hungry. Yum! A cheesy cheese comes my way. But what shape is it? Yes, you are right. It's a triangle with many holes in it. I am still hungry. I will go for a slice of pizza. Wow, it's shaped just like me. A triangle pizza slice. Yum! Here we go. A tiny clock comes my way. What shape is it? Yes, you are right. It's a triangle. My triangle clock tells me to get going. See you later, buddies.
What is the shape of this pizza slice? Yes, it's a triangle. Let's spell triangle together. T R I A N G L E. Triangle. These chips also look like which shape? Very good. Triangles. The shape of these chips is triangle. Let's spell triangle together. T R I A N G L E. Triangle. Yummy sandwiches. What is the shape of these sandwiches? Very right. It's a triangle. Let's spell triangle again. T R I A N G L E. Triangle. Let's do a writing assignment related to shape triangle. Take out your smart number workbook. Open page number 22. Write and learn the spelling of triangle. Paste the sticker of triangle and also draw triangle shaped objects. Sticker of triangle you can find at the end of your workbook.
shape that has four sides? Two are short and two are long. It has four corners and four right angles. Yes, that's right, it's a rectangle. A book, a window, my phone, my door, a postcard, a stamp, and my bedroom floor. My table, chocobar, a wooden plank. Rectangle is the shape of my fish tank. A book, a window, my phone, my door, a postcard, a stamp, and my bedroom floor. My table, chocobar, a wooden plank. Rectangle is the shape of my fish tank. What's the shape that has four sides? Two are short and two are long. It has four corners and four right angles. Yes, that's right, it's a rectangle. Greeting card and a serving tray, my swimming pool and my photo frame. Signboard, boombox, a piece of paper. Rectangle is the shape of an elevator. Greeting card and a serving tray, my swimming pool and my photo frame. Signboard, boombox, a piece of paper. Rectangle is the shape of an elevator. What's the shape that has four sides? Two are short and two are long. It has four corners and four right angles. Yes, that's right, it's a rectangle. What's the shape that has four sides? Two are short and two are long. It has four corners and four right angles. Yes, that's right, it's a rectangle.
Hi, buddies. I am a rectangle. I have four sides, and my opposite sides are of the same length. Here's a wall. It is made up of bricks. What's the shape of these bricks? Yes, each brick has a rectangular face. Yuppie! Oops! Ouch! Oops! Let's see what else we have here. I can see a suitcase here. What's the shape of this suitcase? You're right. It's a rectangle like me. Wow, here are some playing cards. Each one is a rectangle just like me. Oops, here's a small hurdle. I must cross this before we can go ahead. Here's a lovely book. I love books. And yes, it's a rectangle in shape, just like me. Oh, wow! Is this letter for me? The letter is a rectangle, like me. Here comes our friend the clock. But what shape is it? You've got it. It's a rectangle. Oops! The clock tells me it's time to go now. See you later.
What is the shape of this door? Very good. It's like a rectangle. It has four sides and its opposite sides are equal. Let's learn the spelling of rectangle. Are you ready? Spell with me. Rectangle. Rectangle. This is my favorite chocolate. What is the shape of this chocolate? Good. It's like a rectangle. And look, it has small rectangles as well. Now let's repeat the spelling of rectangle together. Rectangle. Rectangle. Here comes a television. I'm sure everyone likes to watch their favorite program on television. What is the shape of its screen? Good, it's like a rectangle. Let's revise the spelling of rectangle. R E C T A N G L E. Rectangle. It's time to do some writing assignment. Take out your smart number workbook, open page number 40, write and learn the spelling of rectangle, paste the sticker of rectangle, and draw rectangle shaped objects. Your day 3 task is to draw a triangle and a rectangle on your green board and write their spelling. Your writing assignment task for day 4 is to draw a triangle and a rectangle in math notebook, color them, and also write their spelling. It was fun learning shapes. This week we have learned about the shapes triangle and rectangle. We know that triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners, and we can distinguish that rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners, and its opposite sides are always equal. We have also learned to draw triangles and rectangles and learned their spellings too. Dear students, now you have to find out triangles and rectangles in your homes and show them to your teacher. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Try to practice the spelling of triangle and rectangle in your free time. I'll come again with a new topic. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Have a good day.